Hello friends, my name is Tarun and today I am going to explain 4 important functions of Excel. First one is if function, second one is AND function, third one is OR function, and the last and the fourth one is nested if function. Let's see how to use them. Let's see first function called if function. This function is used to test a single condition. If the condition is met, then it will return true. If the condition is not met, then it will return false. Okay. So here we have been given a table wherein there is employee name and their PKT scores. The passing percentage of PKT is 80%. If the employee scores more than 80%, then it will be considered as pass, otherwise it will be considered as fail. So we have to apply a condition in if function. Let's see how to apply this. If score is greater than or equal to 80, then return me pass. If it is not so, then return me fail. This function has 3 components. First one is the logical test, second one is the value if true, and the third one is the value if it is false. So this is how I am using it. Then enter. Now I will do control D for all the students. This is how it is returning me. As you can see, only 2 students failed because they scored less than 80. So it returned me fail in front of these students. This is how if function is used. Let's move on AND function. This function is used to test 2 or more conditions to see if all those conditions are true or not. If any of those conditions is not met, then it will return false. It will return only true if all the conditions are met. Okay, let's see how. Here again we have the PKT score of these employees for the 2 months, April and May, and we want to check that they have scored more than 80% in both the months or not. So I will use a function called AND. It has 2 components. First one is the first logical condition which you want to give, and second one is the second logical condition that you want to give. So my first logical condition is PKT score of April should be more than and equal to 80, and second condition is score of May should be greater than or equal to 80, and closing this bracket. So now I am doing control D. So it returned false for Amit and Ravi. They people have scored more than 80 in the month of May, but they failed to score more than 80 in the month of April. That's why this function returned me false. This function will return true only if they have scored more than 80 in both the months. So let's move on. Let's see how to use this function with the if function. Okay. Again the same table has been given, and we have been given the score of 2 months, April and May, and we want to check who has been passed or who has been failed. So we will use a function called if. Within this if function I will use a sub function called AND, and in this function I will use 2 logical conditions. Score of April should be greater than or equal to 80, and score of May should be greater than or equal to 80. Bracket close. If this is so, then return me pass. If this is not so, then return me fail. Simply enter. I will do control D. So again it is returning fail in front of these 2 students because they people have met the condition one time and not both of the time. So this function returns fail against these 2 students. because they people have scored more than 80 in 1 month, but they failed to score more than 80 in the month of April. Since both the conditions are not met, so it returns me fail against these students. So this is how AND function is used with the help of if function. Let's move on to another function called OR. This function is used to test two or more conditions to see if any of those conditions is true or not. This function will return true if any of the condition is met. If none of the condition is met, then it will return false. Let's see how. Again, we have the table wherein there is employee name and their PKT score for the month of April and May. Now we want to check whether they have scored more than 80 in any of the month or not. If they have scored more than 80 in any of the month, then it will return true. If they have not scored more than 80 in any of the month, then it will return false. Let's see how. Or score of 80, score of April should be greater than or equal to 80, comma, score of May should be greater than or equal to 80. Now control D, as you can see, it has returned false for only one employee because this employee has not met even a single condition. As you can see, this employee has scored less than 80 in both the months. That's why it has returned false. If we see the score of this Ravi, this employee has scored more than 80 in the month of May but less than 80 in the month of April. Since one of the condition is met, so that's why this function is returning true against this employee. How to use this function with the help of if function? Let's see this. Again, we have the same table and we have to check which employee has been passed and which employee has been failed. So let's see this, how to use it. If within this if function I will use the OR function, that will become a sub function. But I want to check score of April should be greater than or equal to 80, comma, score of May should be greater than or equal to 80. If any of these conditions is met, then return me pass, else return me fail. So here we can see it has returned fail against only one employee, that is Amit, because he failed to score more than 80 in both the months. Again, if we see the score of Ravi, he has scored more than 80 in the month of May, but he failed to score more than 80 in the month of April. Since one of the condition is met, so that's why this function is returning pass against this student. So this is how we use OR function with if function. Let's move on to next function called nested if. So what is nested if? Nested if is using if function within if function. So how to use it? Use nested if. Let's see this. Here we have the size of the shirts of these employees. So we want the actual name of this size in this blank field. So let's see how we can do so with the help of nested if. If t-shirt size is equal to S, then return me small. I'm using nested if, another if t-shirt size is medium, then return me medium. comma, again I am using if t-shirt size is large, then return me large. Else, here I am specifying else, return me extra large. I have used 3 if here, 1, 2 and 3. So I will apply 3 bracket here. This is how my formula is complete. Now I will just simply enter and I will do Ctrl D. This is how it is returning me the result of these employees shirt size. So what did we learn today? We learned if function, and function, or function and nested if. I hope you like this learning today. Thank you and bye bye.